Hi boys and girls, so I'm going to show you your sound cards and I just want you to make the sound that I'm showing you. Ready? What is in snow and what does it say as in plow? Don't be tricked with this one. This is a digraph, so it makes one sound. Remember, this is a digraph too. It makes one sound. And this is a digraph that makes one sound. So this is voiced. Unvoiced. Oh, this one's upside down. Sorry, guys. Again, this is a digraph, so it makes one sound. What is in cry? And what is in baby? Again, this is a digraph, so it makes one sound. It's not a gnat, it's a what? GN says. What is in paw? All right, good job. So now I want you to tell me a word that rhymes with pick. Pick. How about thick, stick, brick? I want you to think of a word that rhymes with hay. Hay. What about play, they, stay, may? All right, the next part, I'm going to say the word. I want you to repeat it and then tell me the sound you hear in the very beginning. So the very first sound. Ready? Say freezer. What sound do you hear? Say crowded. What sound do you hear? Say speaking. What sound do you hear? Say blowing. What sound do you hear? B. And say glasses. What sound do you hear? G. All right, get your choppers ready. The words are broken into phonemes, and we are going to blend them together. Ready? B, A, Z. What's the word? Brave. ray. Cradle. What's the word? Cradle. Okay, the next part, you're going to repeat the word, and then you're going to tell me the ending blend. Okay, there's a blend at the end of all these words. So what is it? So say the word ask. What's the blend you hear at the end of the word? Sk. Say the word gasp. What is the blend you hear at the end of the word? Sp. Say the word dust. What's the blend you hear at the end of the word? St. Say the word desk. What's the blend you hear at the end of the word? Sk. All right, good job. Okay, get your choppers ready. Now we're going to break the word into the phonemes. Ready? Say the word braid. B-R-A-D. Say the word crab. K-R-A-B. Say the word grind. G-R-I-N-D. Say the word grass. G-R-A-S. Say the word ground. G-R-O-U-D. All right, good job. So now we are having the onset and the rhyme. So are you ready? Say rye, add f. What's our word? Fry. Say ray, add g. What's our word? Gray. Say raise, add p. What's our word? Praise. Say rust, add k. What's our word? Crust. Say root, add f. What's our word? Fruit. All right, good job. Okay, we're going to do our poems now. Ready? Say the word freeze. Reeze without f, we have reeze. Is reeze a real word or a nonsense word? Yeah, it's a nonsense word. Say grade. G. Raid without g, we have raid. Say pray. P. Ray without p, we have ray. Say frank. F. Rank without f, we have rank. Say cream. K. Ream without k, we have ream. Say proud. P. Roud without p, we have rowed. All right, boys and girls, good job. Last part. Get your fists ready. Ready? Say the word brick. Change burr to tur, we get trick. Say brag. Change burr to sn, we get snag. Say flap. Change fool to tur, we get trap. Say bread. Change burr to thul, we get sled. Say brim. Change burr to tur, we get trim. Say drill. Change dur to fur, we get frill. All right, boys and girls, so I have a doctor's appointment. That is why I'm not here today. I will be back on Friday. Work really hard to get all of your work done. You have an amazing day. I miss you, and I will see you soon. Bye, friends.